What's up, YouTube? It's your boy Car Vince with Reg, and I'm back again with another video, and I'm with
Marky Moving.
And what's your Instagram, man?
Marky_Moving.
Marky_Moving.
Yeah.
Okay, so we in what kind of car is this?
A Charger.
What kind of car Charger though? It's not just any old Charger.
It's a Daytona 392 Charger.
Okay, talk your shit. We not no V6, all right?
Nope.
But if you do got a V6, it's all good. It's all love, brother. Still subscribe. So yeah, y'all, we finna do this car review right now. And we finna see how this Daytona is, how it rides. You know, I did the Scatback 392. We gonna see what the difference is and, you know, all the other stuff. Stick on to the video and we finna go crazy. So for the people who don't know, what's really the difference between the Daytona and like the Scatback?
The Daytona is becoming fully loaded, to my knowledge. As far as everything that comes in it, the navigation, the leather, comes with like upgraded brakes. It also comes with like a Mopar cold air intake from the factory. But that's pretty much as far as it really. And so, the Daytona decals.
Daytona decals. What's the fastest you've been in Mexico?
169 in Mexico.
Ooh.
That's the fastest. It could have kept climbing, but I ran out of room.
Does it have a governor on here?
I believe it's at, if it does, it's at like 180 plus.
Ooh, 180. Have you raced anybody in Mexico yet?
Nah.
No races in Mexico? People be going crazy in Mexico.
Man, that's what I'm saying. They get away with anything in Mexico.
Man, I need to live in Mexico, goddammit, because it seems lit out there. So you, so I heard, you know, I'm a big bass head, and I heard, but when I got in the car, you got something in the trunk. What you got in the trunk?
I just got an L7 kicker, 12 inch.
What kind of amp you got in? Oh, it's
audio mask.
Okay.
I don't know.
Oh yeah, I used to have that amp.
I don't know.
It's been accurate. That's a good amp.
Yeah, I don't really know, you know, too much on the music tip, but I mean, I've had it for about a year and it still sounds good.
It still sounds good. Yeah, it sounds real good up in here too. And the seats also come back, you guys. So if you are a bass head like me and you want all your music, the seats do come down. So you ain't gotta worry about that. And this is a 6.2 liter engine, right?
6.4.
6.4 liter engine. And is that different between the Hellcat?
Yeah, it's just it's a bigger engine. Hellcat is a 6.2. I believe it's the displacement that what makes the, you know, the difference between a 6.4 and a 6.2. Okay. I know it's a 6.2 on a Hellcat because they have to obviously, you know, run the boost of the supercharger. So this one's all motor, so they can run a bigger displacement. Okay. And it's pushing about what, 460? It's rated at, I believe, 485, but
485.
to the crank, I'm not sure. It's probably like mid fours.
Okay. And also with the Daytona package, it seems like you guys can get a sunroof. I didn't have that on a regular 392, so I guess that's another big difference if you're interested in sunroofs.
Yeah.
I don't know if they offer it with the 392. You might just have to ask for it. I'm pretty sure they'll give it to you, but I just pointed that out with the Daytona.
You don't see too many with sunroofs.
No. The last one I had didn't have a sunroof, and it kind of pissed me off. I was mad. I'm like, come on, bro. Like, if this is a $45,000 car, there's no sunroof?
Yeah.
I can't get jiggy with that shit. I can't get jiggy with it, bro. Yeah. And how do you feel like in the seats? Like, is it comfortable or?
Yeah, it's comfy.
Of a long period of drive, have you ever taken on like a long period of drive, like 3-4 hours? How does it feel?
It feels great. You know, the furthest I went was Reno as of right now, but I do plan on doing an LA trip. Hopefully, when this COVID shit kind of backs off a little bit. Yeah. For long distance.
be like your pros and your cons about owning this Charger Daytona?
All right. Well, what do you want me to start with first? The pros or the cons?
Let's give them the good.
Man, let's start with, first of all, anytime you pull out one of these, all eyes are on you.
Of course. Especially with the paint, man.
Yeah, a lot of people respect you on the road with these cars.
Yeah.
You know, it's just an all-around fun car. That's definitely a pro.
Mm-hmm.
You know, I mean, there's a whole bunch that comes with owning one of these cars. You know, they're fun, they're fast. They can also get you in a lot of trouble.
Yeah.
That's definitely a con. I mean,
Yeah.
as far as cons, you know, like I said, the trouble, I've already done got, you know, my fair share of tickets in here.
Mm-hmm.
Let's see, what else? Gas. This car isn't really, you know, too gas friendly.
But if you're buying this car, like I was saying before with the Hellcat, you're not buying it for gas. You're You're buying it for the experience of the car. So
right.
if you guys are looking into these cars, don't bring out the gas equation, because you already know it's a gas guzzler. It's gonna cost you a lot of money. You're buying it for the experience. So
you know, you couldn't have said it better.
Yeah.
It's all about miles per gallon.
Yeah. Yep, pretty much. Like you know, you want the whole experience. You want the sports car. If you're worried about gas, I always say go get you a Prius or a Honda Accord. Don't buy this car, you know, because it's gonna be too much. So it's like no other cons. It's just like, as far as like, have you ever had to deal with anything like maintenance wise, or like something ever breaking down on you, or is it like a common problem with this car?
As far as breaking down, no. It's been pretty reliable. I have a full warranty to like 100K, so I'm not really tripping as far as it breaking down. But for the most part, you know, I'm at 60K now, and it's been solid. I haven't had no issues. Just been staying up on, you know, regular routine maintenance.
So we back. We're back, Reggie. Ooh, hold on. Okay. Hey, I see why people say, bro, this thing is crazy, bro.
So fast, make you choke,
bro. This shit's crazy. Near 500 horsepower. You doing all that, bro? That shit's crazy. So, like, when you have you ever been on E in this car?
Oh yeah.
So, so E to F, how much is it? Like 60, 80 bucks?
Oh man. Yeah, probably about 65. I'm always putting 91. I only go to Shell or Chevron, so.
Oh, so I'm not the only one.
No, I'm pretty picky with this shit.
Me too.
Gas.
People look at me like I'm crazy because I only rock with Shell or Chevron. Yeah. That's it. But the gas station I really rock with, it has to be Chevron. But if I'm not near Chevron, it could be a Shell.
Yeah.
But I don't like Arco. I don't like all that other shit. I only put Chevron and Shell on my shit.
Yeah.
And I only put 91. And that's the same thing when I had the Acura too. 91, Chevron and Shell. People like, man, that's an old ass car. Fuck you.
Treat this bitch like a Ferrari if I want to.
Exactly, you got to. This is your Ferrari, you feel me?
Exactly.
You making payments on this motherfucker.
Word to Brandon Parks. It's a Ferrari.
Shout out to Brandon if you watching this video. Yeah, that's great. And it handles pretty good too. I feel like the handle is underrated in these cars.
Yeah, it handles great for, you know, the size of it. But yeah.
Cause I feel like before I initially got into like the Scat Pack or the Hellcat, I was like, the handling is trash. But
yeah,
it's actually pretty good.
Yeah, it is.
Like when you go on, like when you put it in a sport mode or something like that, doesn't it tighten up the suspension or something like that?
Yeah, it can make the suspension. It had the steering has 3 modes: comfy, normal, and sport. I usually always ride around on comfy, but when I put it in the sport mode, you can definitely feel a tightness in the steering wheel.
That's crazy.
I really fuck with the 8-speed tranny on these cars. They're just
8-speed.
The trannies are amazing. The shifts are like super quick. And before I even had this car, I would just there would be a couple times where I'd see one just gas and pass, and you just hear that transmission just shift. It's like really nothing like it.
Do you ever get like a lag or anything? Like
a lag? No. My transmission is super solid. As far as I know, I heard that the origin of these transmissions come from like Mercedes-Benz and stuff.
Oh, okay.
So, you know, they're not just
any old tranny.
Clunky American transmission. They're coming from something with some background.
Yeah.
So
that's important though, you know, with all this speed, you know what I'm saying? You gotta have a nice powerful transmission to match up with that big beast in the front.
Right.
So that's crazy. Always talk shit to Mark, right? Y'all know I got a G37X, right?
Here we go.
I feel like I could blow his shit out the water.
You and every other damn G37 owner until they get fucking McDusted.
Oh wow. Come on, bro. You know, hey, no lie, those G37s got hidden power, bro. I ain't know. You know what? I'm gonna be honest with you. I raced a RT before. I dusted his shit like bad. I raced a 392 Scatback. I won, but I feel like the dude didn't know how to drive. Yeah. Cause I ain't gonna lie, I be fucking with you. I know how you know how much power this car got. This shit was dusted Infinity quick. Yeah. Now I feel like if I had the Red Sport, the newer ones, I could give you a little bit, you know, some of that because you know what I'm saying? Cause those motherfuckers is quick and they light. But if we talking about the regular G37X non-modded, I feel like you could dust my shit. I feel like the Scatback, the one who I dusted that motherfucker, he didn't know how to drive.
Yeah, no, he for sure didn't.
Cause this car got hella power. You supposed to eat my shit up. Even though my shit's all-wheel drive, like I feel like I could take off before you, but eventually, you gonna catch up. You gonna eat it.
Yeah.
But shout out to all my G37 owners. You know what's up.
They cool. I just, you know, it's just something about them. Like they always want to try to race me, like more than any other car. More than even if I pull up to a Camaro, Mustang, another Scat Pack. They're not gonna try to race me as much as me trying to pull up next to a G37, and the G37 is just trying to.
I feel like we just got something to prove. I feel like that's what it is. I feel like we probably got one of the most fastest V6 stock motors that's out there.
Yeah.
So I feel like we just had something to prove. You know what I'm saying? Like I feel like people don't really give us our love like they give the other cars. You feel me? So.
Right.
That's what I just feel like. You had a G35 though before, right?
Yeah, and I love that car. I had a 2005 4-door G35 6-speed. That car was dope. I miss that car to this day. But they don't really compare to a V8, you know?
Yeah,
nothing really compares to a V8.
I'm gonna be honest with you. After driving that Hellcat, that Scatback, hell no. Hell no.
Yeah.
I'd tell you this. I used to hate muscle cars with a passion. Hated them. So I would never, ever get no American bullshit. No muscle car. I'm into the Nissan GTRs and the JDM type shit. You know what I'm saying? Like I'm not into the goddamn muscle cars. But after I drove the Scat, it shut me up. And that Hellcat, oh shit, I want one.
Yeah.
God damn it. And then the Corvette too, like the Corvette was definitely legendary too, but like I said in my past video, I wouldn't buy it unless it was a Z06. I want to get the regular Stingray.
Right.
But goddamn, I ain't gonna lie, these muscle cars are a game changer, bro. So, and then these are 6-piston brakes too, right? They're only offered on a Hellcat, but they're on a Daytona.
Yeah, it's just a part of the premium package. They can be added to Scat Packs. I've seen Scat Packs with them too. Only downfall about those is the brake jobs are just a whole hell of a lot, money-wise.
Sure.
The dealership already quoted me like $2,000 just for replacing the rotors and the pads for just the front. So,
wow.
Yeah, if you get one with 6-piston rotors, you better have a 6-piston wallet.
Wow.
Because it's gonna be some change you're gonna spend. Even if you do it yourself, you know, the rotors are still gonna be about, I think the cheapest I've seen for the actual 2-piece rotors that this car has was about think it was like 400 a rotor, 440. And then the pads, I believe I don't know how much the pads are. I believe they're probably like around 100 to 200 for just the pads for the front. The rotors is what cost a lot, but you know, if you're gonna take it to a dealership, you're for sure spending about 2 racks.
Right.
Even if you can do it yourself, you're still gonna spend about a rack. So, you know, just
either or, you're gonna have to, yeah. I mean, these are expensive cars to upkeep. You know what I'm saying? The V8.
Yeah.
You know, the brakes. You know, everything. You know what I'm saying? So y'all like, just be mindful when you are buying this car that, you know, your pockets kind of get, you know, a little deep, because, you know, Dodge is gonna be trying to reach in, try to snatch your shit. So,
man.
So just know that. And yeah, man. But as far as like the ride, like for me, like it feels really comfortable, y'all. Like, you know, we kind of been cruising around. It feels really good. Like, it's not bumpy, it's not shaky. Like you said, the transmission is shifting really good. Don't really feel no clunk. It's not like it's not bad at all, y'all. If y'all interested in this car, probably brand new, would they probably go for like $45,000-$50,000?
Brand new, they're like, this one, the sticker price was like 52, brand new.
52, okay.
Yeah, so if you're getting a new Daytona, you're spending 50 racks brand new for sure.
Okay, 50 racks brand new, and then probably if you get one used, probably like what, 35, 40?
Yeah,
so 35, 40 range. And then like you said, you had the warranty go up to what, 100,000?
Yeah, 100K.
Okay.
Bumper to bumper, full powertrain warranty.
So y'all hear that? Y'all get a good warranty with these cars, so you don't gotta worry about it too much. This car is dope. I appreciate Mark for you know, being in the camera, being on my YouTube. He's also a subscriber, so why you not subscribed?
Good question.
I'm trying to figure that out. But yeah, you know, any closing remarks you want to say about your Daytona, and tell the people anything else?
Work hard and you can achieve whatever you want, boys and girls.
That's the quote of the day. And I think he about to do it, y'all. Ooh, these brakes is good. These brakes is good. Oh, hey, he definitely watched my videos because he know what I do at the end. I'll see y'all in the next video.